Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a Slenderman from Slenderman the game. So, first of all, you're going to need all plain white face, black pants, and you could use this is a tuxedo body that I got from the Harry Potter set, with some white hands. Okay, so when you put it all together, just you get something like that. Slenderman. And that is all pretty much. And look, please like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.